Fit marks a group of women together at a centre outside Fraserburgh on a cold, frosty night. Well, it's all to do with an organisation called Love Golf. And over the past 12 years, around 340 women from this wee corner of the northeast of Scotland have signed up. Peter Myers is the golf professional at the Jines Golf Centre, and he explains about Love Golf.
Love Golf is a coaching programme designed specifically for women, with the needs of women in mind, and it was started in 2011, backed up by a lot of research by a PGA professional called Alistair Spink, and he kind of recognised this imbalance of male to female membership at golf clubs, and I think in the UK it currently stands at just 11% of golf club membership is female, and that's a number that surely has to change for the good of the game. It's taken off in Spain, and it's also quite big in Sweden as well, so it's kind of a global thing.
I'm getting a lot with this. I'm a knower, I'm mixing with people, it's a good company, and I like sporty kind of thing, so it's really good.
You've been out in the course as well?
Aye, we have been out with Peter.
Who did you get on?
Well, it was we was there. Aye. So we tried, so hopefully we get better.
But I was listening to you kind of just when we were up there, and there was a lot of laughing going on.
Oh, we do. We're always laughing. That's what it's all about now, isn't it?
Aye.
It's very empowering for the women that take part. Personally, I really enjoy the ladies' lessons because they're a lot more I'm going to call it chilled out. There is a lot more laughter. And I think part of the power of it is the support network that the women provide each other, and how they'll hit a bad shot and there's a lot of encouragement.
Get confidence just to go and do the tester session, because that was like that was the best thing we did, was to go and do the tester. It was it was just go and hit the bars and see how you get on.
We create an environment where it's safe to make mistakes, and in fact those mistakes are the learning.
So if it was a scary bit?
Got in the first bit.
I thought Abdi was got to be good, and I was got to be very
and
good,
but
we was all rubbish. So it made you feel a lot better.
What do you get out of golf?
I just think it's a great social thing. You get exercise and out in the fresh air, and I know it is, as you say, it's a laugh, it is a giggle, and you can't take yourself too seriously either. You've got to just go with the flow, and if you have a good shot's great, bad shots, learn from them. And there's always somebody telling you, giving you advice, and nice advice.
When you can contribute to the well-being of people's lives, that goes beyond anything. The truth is, if I didn't have a mortgage to pay and rent to pay here, I would still do this.
Mm-hmm. Well, it takes you to house in the winter time, and we could be sitting in the house doing nothing, mixing, and we're mixing, meeting new friends, and no, it's good.
Show me the difference, what you've just described to me. What's a scoop look like? So trying to help the ball in the air.
Aye. I suppose it's scary when you first start.
I think you think everybody's going to be really good and you're not going to be good. But when you come and Abdi's the same, and
Abdi's in the same boat.
Encourage each other, it's rare.
I think a lot of it's a social thing's good.
Like everybody's a bit different. Some folk are competitive, some folk aren't. So actually, just to come and have a bit of fun with each other and
you're learning it at the same time.
Better.
Go on, let's do it with the ball, shall we? Now the pressure's on. There we go, look at that. Imagine that you're on the golf course now and you're playing to a target. Okay. Well, Love Golf is increasing its popularity in Scotland. I think there's a lot of places are seeing the success we've had here. We've started now 340 women in less than 3 years.
When you're out in the course and you're concentrating, are you aware that folk are watching, or have you got over that biggie that you didn't care?
No, we've not really been out in the course that much yet.
I think as we only started in August, we'll practice more, and the more we practice, we'll get more comfortable being out in the course. But you can see before I started, watching golf, and I will admit I was like, that's really boring. And then now I'm playing, I'm like, I really enjoy it. And my husband was in it wanting me to do it, and now I'm out more than he is. So it's not enjoyable.
Just to come and get a go, come out, and if you didn't like it, well, none the loss. If you like it, you're meeting people, and it's really good.
Didn't think about it, just do it.
Just do it.
Aye.
Just give it a go, you can. Don't be afraid to try it. If you didn't like it, you didn't like it, but come and give it a go, because it is good fun, you meet good people, and it's enjoyable to be playing it.
Are we ready for this? I think I should just keep practicing.